Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a static website using Docusaurus and GitHub pages. We can edit the site by using Markdown tags or syntax. Okay, I will show you. I have already created a personal website. This is my personal website. It is a demo website. Okay, you can create like this. Okay, and host it on a GitHub pages. I have already hosted on a GitHub pages. You can see, go to the, you can also find the documentation in this repository. Okay, I have already created a site. This is my personal website. I have already created in the GitHub pages by using GitHub pages. Okay, to create like this, it is a personal portfolio type website also. It is a static. It is a static website. Okay, it is a static website. For this, you need a GitHub account and SSH connection to this. Install Node.js or Yarn and create a repository on GitHub. I will show you. First, I will show you how I have created. This is my repo for this website. You can visit the website by using this tag. Okay, I, it is hosted on GitHub repository. Okay, I will show you step by step guide. Okay, for this, go to the documentation. For this DevOps tutorial, website learn, create, deploy, static website. First, set up a SSH with GitHub account. For this, I am using Ubuntu machine on my virtual box. I have installed a virtual box and deploy a Ubuntu machine. Okay, here it is my local PC. Okay, for this here I am local development is here. Set up a SSH with GitHub account. First, you have to this command use. I am SSH and GitHub account. Set up SSH. For this, you have to go to the open terminal, all control T, just big the screen size. Okay. Then you have to put this command. This copy and paste. This is the command to create a SSH key, and here you put your email address. In my case, it is there. Yes, it's you 333@gmail.com. Okay, and hit enter and hit enter. Press yeah, I have already created SSH key. That's why it is override. Yes, here enter. Okay, the key is created. Then to copy the key, this command, using this command, copy. Okay, control it, clear the screen and this. Okay, and hit enter. You can see this is the key. Copy it and add the SSH key to the GitHub account. Okay, and paste the key. For this, you have to go to the GitHub account. Okay, this is my GitHub account and go to the settings, then go to the SSH and this is then new SSH, any name. This is my Ubuntu machine, Ubuntu PC. Okay, then paste the key and add SSH. I have using authenticator app for this purpose. I have to wait it. Okay, I have added my SSH key into the GitHub account. This is the Ubuntu PC I have already added. That means setup SSH with GitHub account is completed. I have created, I want to create a static website with the Docusaurus. It is a Docusaurus application, Docusaurus software. You can see the Docusaurus here. This is the Docusaurus software. Okay. By using this, we can create a personal website. You can see this is the Docusaurus documentation. You can see it. How to install the Docusaurus in your PC, for local development. Okay. For Docusaurus, to install the Docusaurus, you need prerequisite. You need Node and you need a Node, Node.js and Yarn. As Docusaurus is a JavaScript based application, that's why you need a Node.js. This is the Node.js required. Install Node.js for this. Okay. To install the Node.js on your PC, local PC, follow this command. Okay. I have already installed it. Node.js and Yarn. To check the Node.js install or not, you can type node-v. Okay, this is the version 22.9.0 and Yarn, Y-A-R-N, Yarn-v, you can see this is the 1.22.22. I have already installed. If you want to install in your PC, just use this command using npm and then close the terminal and then use this command. It will install the latest version. Then check the version npm and install the yarn. Okay, it is step 2 is done. I have already installed it. Then I will create a GitHub repository for this website. To create a website on to create a static website, Docusaurus and GitHub pages, you need a repository on GitHub. Okay, for this, I am going to create a repository. Go to the GitHub. This is my GitHub pages, GitHub account, and go to the repository and click on new, and then you can any name for this creating a website. You can see my website URL. I have created a repository that is Cake with Me, and you can see the path of the URL. This is the Cake with Me. Okay, if you want to path according to your needs, you can create that repository name. In my case, I am going to create a repository name that is Cake with Cake with DevOps. This is my repository. I want to create a website like this. Okay, a personal, my personal website or documentation web, portfolio website. You can say portfolio website. You can say it static website. Any description you can give it. Website. Okay, then click on public and then go to create a repository. Okay, I have created a repository. Okay, create a repository. In earlier it was the take with me. Any name you prefer. Okay, repository is created. Then initialize Docusaurus project on your PC. Go to the PC, local PC. In my case, it is my Ubuntu PC. Okay. Then you have to choose this command. Here also you can find in Docusaurus documentation site, you can find this command. nps create Docusaurus latest my website classic. Okay. I have changes slightly. Classic, it is a JavaScript. I am choosing Java. You can choose TypeScript also. I have chosen the TypeScript, a JavaScript. Okay. Copy and paste your local PC. Paste and enter. Okay. It downloads the Docusaurus software. Oh, it is already created my website. That's why I have to change it. I have to change it. It is you can change it. Tech site, tech website, personal, personal website. Okay, and hit enter. Creating a Docusaurus project. You can follow the Docusaurus documentations also. This is the docusaurus.io/docs. After creating your website, looks like this. You can see my website also here. This is, I have changed it. Tagline has, I have changed. You can add your GitHub repo. You can use the blog. Okay, this is the GitHub. You can change the mode, dark theme also. I'll show you how to create look like this website, and you can add custom domain. If you want to add the custom domain, you can add it. Okay, then I have to check whether it is installing dependency. I have installed it. I am installing in my local PC, and this is the Ubuntu PC. Okay, please wait a little bit for this. You can go through my repository. This is my repository. Okay, this is my repository. You can use it. I have run this command. This is, and it is also written in Docusaurus documentation. Okay, I have to check. It takes time. Please wait a little bit. And you can see the project is created. Okay, you can see the project is created. Okay, happy building website. For this, go to the documentation, navigate into the project folder, CD. Here in my case, here in CD personal website, CD, okay, personal website, and hit enter. Okay, then you can run this command. Okay, or you can use this command also. In Docusaurus, you can npx Docusaurus start. Okay, this is also written in this here. I'm using this copy and paste and hit enter. For this, you can better view. You can use the code space dot. I have already installed the v. Okay, yes, alt tab to the terminal. Open the terminal. Alt backtick, proceed. Here you can put the this command and hit enter. It creates a local server. Okay, you can visit this here also. Wait a little bit. Right now I am in locals PC. Okay, and it is created the, you can see this is the service. Please wait a little bit. You can use it or not. You can use This is the waiting. It is already running the client. Wait a little bit. It takes time depending upon your internet speed. Okay, successfully created. You can visit this. Click here, or you can. Okay, this. It is the demo in your personal site. It will be looks like that. Okay, close the window. Okay, Control C to outside into the project. Okay, I want to push this project. I want to push this all the files and folder into the GitHub to set up the Git and push to the GitHub. Okay, for this you use this command git status. You must check it Git is installed or not. I have already installed the Git. That's why I am using git status. Git init. First use git init to initialize the project. Okay, I have already set up my Git. Then git status. Git add. Okay, then git commit. This you can use this command. Copy, Control L, Control paste, and hit enter. Before committing, you can see the remote remote git remote hyphen v. Or that's you can use this. Git init is done, git add done, git commit done, git branch. This is I have created take with DevOps repository. Here you can see this command. Copy and paste it here. Then you have to add this remote repository. Copy and paste. This. Okay. Okay. Then you can commit. I have committed it also. Committed. Check. Okay, I have to commit. For commit the for commit can choose this command. Copy. Okay, I have already Control L, clear the screen. You can see this is you can use this also commit, and after that you can set the default branch and remote add. This is the your repository, and then this is the last command. Okay, push. Wait a little bit. Okay, it is pushed the this is repository. this repository. You can see by using the refresh, you can see all the local files and folders. It is uploaded into the GitHub repo. Okay, GitHub repo. This is done. Okay, GitHub repo. To host your website on GitHub pages look like this. Look like this. Into the GitHub pages. To host your website, you have to change Docusaurus config.js file according to your need. Here you can see I have changed my name of the website, tagline. Okay, this is my path of the URL. For this, you go to the local development, go to the local development PC. This is my PC. And go to the Docusaurus config.js. Please write down and control clear the screen. Here you can change according to your need. You can see this is the URL. I have this is the URL. Your username github.io. Okay. Here in my case, my username this is https copy. This is my username. Here you have to put. I have already this section. Okay. I have already changed mine. Okay. I have already used this. I have already used this in this. Yeah. You can use this. URL to one. Copy and paste it in local. This URL to one and delete. Control V paste, and here you can change to copy it again. Copy the whole. Control C. Only github.io. Just paste it. This section. HTTPS. This is the user. Only this portion. Okay. Copy. This is my username of the GitHub. Okay. This is the base URL. Base URL is this is the base URL. This one. Copy and paste. This is the paste. This is my username. This is the username. This is my username. Project name. This is also take with DevOps. and here deployment branch gh pages, you should mention it. Okay, and just delete this line. Okay, control s, save it. I have already shown here. You have to choose, you have to change according to your need. Okay, in the Docusaurus config.js file. Okay, I have changed it. Then I have to update it, deploy and update. For this, you have to git add, git status first, and hit enter. This is the modified. This is the git add dot git commit -m. You can use this this commit -m, and any comment you can give. Updated config and hit enter. CO commit spellings. Git commit -m. Updated config. Okay. Okay. Commit is done. Then we have to commit it done. Oh, you can commit. Then you have to yarn this command. Yarn for control L or ARN and hit enter. Install the local files, all the packages. Wait a little bit. You can see it is running. You can follow my documentation in GitHub. Okay, it is a step-by-step guide. Very simple. Then I have put this command. It is downloading. Wait a little bit. You can create the documentation site by using Docusaurus. That's why it is very important to have a personal website or documentation site. Okay, it will be your portfolio website by using Docusaurus. Docusaurus is a JavaScript based application. You need not any hosting. By using GitHub pages, you need not any hosting. You need not buy any hosting. Okay, it is a freely hosted in GitHub. It is right now running. Let's lower it a little bit. By using GitHub pages, you freely hosted your website, and you can easily customize. You can easily customize your name of the site, tagline, link. You can add the GitHub repository in this link. You can easily customize with the help of Markdown. If you already use the GitHub, you know the Markdown syntax. Okay. Then I have to check. It is already now. It is downloading. And you can see the building press package is done. Okay. Control L, clear the screen. Control L, clear the screen. And then you have to yarn start. Okay. Or build it. You can build it. You can see the local development file. I do not want this. Okay. Local. You can if you want to see the local here, you can use this command. Okay. I am control C. I am just yarn build. It is very important to build and control B. Oh, sorry. Yarn build. It creates a build folder here. Then you have to command this. Use this command to deploy into your GitHub pages. Okay. This build, it creates a build. You can see that this is the build folder, and it will this build portion is will be uploaded on GitHub pages branch. Okay, I will show you. Build is done. Okay, done. Build is done. Then you can deploy the website into GitHub pages. You will see here after performing this command. Just Control L, clear the screen and paste. And that's why I have SSI setup is done already. Okay, and hit enter. Docusaurus deploy. It is deploying to the GitHub, my remote GitHub here. You can use this. Okay, it is already deployed. Remote section. This is the URL. This is the URL. It is deployed. Go to my repository. This is my repository. Okay, and refresh. Here you can see there is no deployment. After refreshing this remote repository, you will see the GitHub pages is deployment is going on. You can see the changes in deployment section. Please wait a little bit or click here. You can see the deployment GitHub pages is done. This is the URL of the personal website. I have created the repository take with DevOps. That's why The URL path is here, and click here, deployment done, and click here. You will see this is the personal website I have successfully created. This is the URL. This is the my this is my GitHub repo name. This is the GitHub organizer or username, and this is the repository. I can change according to my need. I can change. I will show you how to the change or customize according to your need. I will show you. Okay, you can see. Go to the take with DevOps repo, and you can see the two branches is created. GH pages. Here, the build files are located. Okay, this is the main branch. If you want to customize according to your need, this section, this is the customize according to your need. Go to the local repo, and here all the files and folders are located. Just say for example, I want to change my tagline. This is the take with me, my personal portfolio website. Okay, I have to change it. Just 2 line changes. I will show you how to customize. I am showing. Okay, Control S, save it. Go to the documentation. Customize. Okay, just change. I have changed that side. This command. Okay, git add. You can use this command also. Control L, paste. Okay, update the site. Okay, then push it origin main. Okay, then you have to deploy build and deploy. Copy and build. It is building the Docusaurus project. Wait a little bit. It takes time according to your internet speed. It is almost done. Then you have to deploy it on GitHub repo. It is build completed. Clear the screen, and to deploy this command, copy and paste it here and hit enter. It is deploying to the GitHub repository. Okay, deploy it done, and go to the remote repo. You can see one deployment is, and you can see the next deployment. Refresh it, and GitHub pages. This is, it is going on deployment based on this is going on. Second, two deployments. It is going on. Please wait a little bit. It will be green. Okay. Second deployment is done. And click on this link. You can and refresh it. Refresh it. You can change. This is the my personal portfolio website. Take with me. In this way, you can customize according to your need. And this is the URL. Okay. In this way, you can create a personal portfolio website or documentation site by using Docusaurus and GitHub pages. Okay, I will show you how to customize the site or add your blog or add your documentation by using Mark. If you want to, if you want to add the custom domain with this, you can add. If you want, please comment me in the video, and if you like the video, please like it and subscribe. Thank you. And you can use the this repo. This you can use this the repo. Okay. Thank you.